बोलिए।
Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Shefali Anand and I had come to Savera Hospital for the treatment of my daughter Shefali Anand. Firstly, as we all know, RN Singh is a very renowned doctor, orthopedic doctor. So we had come to him. My daughter actually had a twist in her leg which gave intense pain in her ankle and knees. So we didn't know what it was, but as we met Dr. R.N. Singh, he suggested that it was a ligament fracture as well as her knee had some needed some ACL reconstruction. So that's why her ligament fracture actually got cured by R.N. Singh, but ACL reconstruction needed a surgery, and that's when he suggested Dr. Ashish Singh, who is a well renowned surgeon too. And when we met him, actually, we were very fearful about the surgery and all, as it being of my child. But the environment here is very cozy and very friendly, and they made us very comfortable here. And the cleanliness in the hospital is really praiseful. The staff is also very friendly. They made us very comfortable, and the fear vanished. And as you can see, my daughter is walking, running properly. It's just been 8 months, and the operation was done thoroughly very well. The treatment was up to the mark. The staff is too cooperative and attentive. Everything good that can be said is very less. And I'm very grateful to Dr. Ashish and his staff and his wife especially, who takes care of the arrangements and manages. So thank you very much everyone.